Wow, ang ganda naman ng pantalon mo. Ay, nasa 500 plus lang yan. Ang ganda naman ng necklace mo. 59 pesos lang to. Ang ganda naman ng earrings mo. 62 pesos lang to, tapos isang set na yung makukuha mo. Ang ganda naman ng lip liner mo. Ay, 75 pesos lang to. Ano ka ba? Ang mumura ha. Kasi naman, sa Shopee Choice ko lahat na binili. Diyan na rin kaya ako mag-shopping. Ay, isihin mo lang ha. Bakit? Kaka-adi kasi. Ikaw talaga. Ay, ang daming gagawin. Revisions here, revisions there, edit ng concepts, gagawa ng slants, tapos mag-film pa ako mamaya. Tapos, malapit na yung Christmas rush. Ah.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Team 1 Sessions! Bonus round! Draw a scene. It's party. Boss! Ako na.
Okay. Hindi, kayo na. Na.
Sinabi mo nga talaga yun? Hindi! Thank you po! Go lang ha, go lang.
Nakakamiss naman yung kulitan na yun. Ikaw ha, you just reminded me na I should never forget to switch to relax mode kahit ang daming kailangan gawin. It's been 2 years since you wrote and released a song and now you're back! Tell us more about it, Lisa. Basically, it's about a person who got in love and sobrang sure na siya sa taong minamahal niya, but it turns out, hindi ikaw yung gusto niya makasama sa future niya. That is so heartbreaking. So, what's your inspiration for this song? My inspiration? My previous relationship. Huh? You're the best thing that has ever happened to me, Lisa. Sinasabi mo lang yan kasi anniversary natin ngayon. It's true! You made me stronger but at the same time softer. I'm so lucky to have you. Ang cringe mo! I know minsan lang ako maging sweet pero bumabawi ka naman sa actions. Yes, I know. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Alam ko isang taon pa lang tayo pero pwede na ba kitang pakasalan? I'm really sure about what I feel about you, Lisa. I really wanna marry you. Of course! Ramdam ko lang na ikaw yung taong para sa akin. So, yes! It's a yes! I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Lisa. Louie, you just proposed to me 3 months ago. Ito yung sing-sing mo. Nakikita mo ba to? Ito yung sing-sing na binigay mo. Ano yung sinasabi mo? Ano yung sinasabi mo bumalik sa'yo yung ex mo? She called off her engagement and then she went to me and then she chose me. Kaya mo ako iiwan? Ganun lang yun? Bilis naman. Ay, ano yung sinabi mo na I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you? Ano yung sinabi mo na sure ka sa nararamdaman mo sa akin? Ano yung sinabi mo na you really wanna marry me? Ano yun? Guni-guni ko lang? Nananaginip lang ako? I didn't mean to hurt you. Intentional yung ginawa mo! I truly loved you. Pero kasi it got messy and nung sinabi niya yun, I realized that I wanna be with her. All my friends have kept on saying na red flag ka. Kasi wala ka raw emotional intelligence. Gusto mo raw ako agad pakasalan kahit hindi naman tayo masyado nag-date. Na you always seek validation elsewhere. Pero kahit ganun, I still chose you. Tapos sabay ganito. Para mo naman akong ginawang basura yan. I'm sorry. I don't expect you to forgive me. I just hope one day you find someone who never doubts choosing you. That was such an emotional song, Lisa. Wishing you all the healing this world can offer. Thank you. So, sample nga na sayo dyan, Mika. Ayoko. Wala ako sa mood eh. Wala sa mood pero sumasayaw na. Baka next level na yan. may kanta na rin. Kasi depende sa mood, besh. Minsan sayaw lang, minsan full combo. May kanta, may forma, may todo energy. Syempre, pag gusto mong bumida, dapat mix and match.
Combos, K-pop at reggae, we can mix to match your taste. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, 안녕하세요. Mag-Jollibee mix and match. Sulit, sarap saya, sa Jollibee mix and match combo.
Ang galing mo! May moves, may boses, may forma. Wala kang tapon. Syempre, dapat sulit ang performance. Combo queen kaya to. Sakto parang mix and match sa Jollibee. May main, may side. Swak sa saya at sulit sarap pa. Starts at 78 pesos.
May 42 delicious combos na you can enjoy. Available in all stores nationwide.
Mix to match your taste. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, 안녕하세요. Mag-Jollibee.
Sarap!
Walang motor pero todo ang angas. I got to witness Moveit's commitment to passenger safety firsthand, from the rider training and safety demos to how technology reinforces every trip. Hindi into improvements. Matagal na nakalagay ang safety safeguards ng Moveit at patuloy itong pinapalakas. Moveit's driver-led, tech-reinforced safeguards are in place and continually strengthened to keep every trip safe. May segment din sa event kung saan pinakita ang pasado bago pasada. Ito yung rider onboarding at assessment process na tinitiyak na pasado sa standards ang bawat rider bago bumiyahe. Identity checks and safety safeguards work together before every trip, kaya panatag ka na tama at verified ang rider mo. Tapos may emergency SOS button din para instant access to help and live support during a trip. Habang iniikot ko yung tech booths, na-realize ko na it's not just about convenience. It's about giving passengers like me peace of mind every time I ride. Move It showed me that safety isn't just a promise. It's something they truly live by. And as a passenger, that's all I could ever ask for.
Looking at me with a sad face, my face, but you never have face. Your place, my place, you won't meet me halfway. Sad face, my face, but you're in my past face. Fuck your sad, sad, sad face. We ain't getting some bad. Say hello to bright skin with Garnier Serum Cleanser. Lahat na papatingin gandang nagniningning. Natural na ganda'y ibandera. Try mo nang maniwala. See in one wash, price ang kitang-kita. See in one wash, ganda'y pagkapagera. See in one wash, with Garnier you will see instant brighter skin. See in one wash, see in one wash. Garnier Vitamin C Power, now with a serum cleanser. That's instant level up, right up. See in one wash, with Garnier you will see instant brighter skin. See in one wash, see in one wash.
Tagal na natin, no? 5 years? Ganyan talaga kapag nagmamahalan. Naalala ko tuloy, ang dami nating away nung magti 3 years na tayo. Tama, and we almost broke up na dahil sa pagkain. Nag-away sa pagkain, tapos naungkat na lahat ng mga hinanakit sa isa't isa. So, ang ginawa natin, umupo tayo, tapos pinag-usapan natin yung lahat. Hi, after 5 years, we're still the same lovey-dovey. No, not everything stayed the same. May problema ba tayo? Hindi ko lang talaga ito ma-bring up. Within those 5 years na magkasama tayo, nag-iba ako? No, love. Within those 5 years, I can see that the glow on your skin never changed. Mahal naman eh. This is my secret. The Garnier Vitamin C Plus Booster Serum na palaging present sa skincare routine ko.
This serum has an improved formula of vitamin C, niacinamide, and salicylic acid para mas maging 30 times powerful than the classical vitamin C. This also claims to reduce 99% of dark spots and make the skin brighter.
Yung pala sikreto mo ah. Mamaya pag uwi natin, patry ako ah. Oo naman babe, dapat from now on, kasama na to sa daily skincare botting natin kasi I also want to see a brighter you.
Kira,
Rafa,
you look good.
ikaw rin ang pogi mo.
Thank you. Sorry kung 5 minutes late ako ah. Medyo na-stress ako papunta eh.
Stress? Parang hindi naman eh. You look confident to me ah.
Ate!
Kabayo, ano ba? Bakit na paano ka?
Tulungan mo ako. May date ako pero hindi ako makapili eh. Ito o ito?
Kala ko naman emergency. Ay, ang black feel ko, mas gupings ka dyan.
Tapos ano pa partner ko? Ito?
Bagay naman.
Salamat te. Love you. Malilate na ako.
Nax, pogi ah. Teka, akala ko ba may date kayo? Eh bakit parang may baon kang asin? Ayan o, tignan mo yung balikat mo. Maligo ka ulit. But this time, choose better. Choose Head and Shoulders. Gamitin mo to daily, okay? Oh,
Every wash is a choice. Choose the wrong shampoo, pwedeng bumalik ang dandruff. Head & Shoulders protects your scalp every wash for up to 100% dandruff-free and itch-free. Kaya skipping it, dandruff pwedeng bumalik.
order na tayo?
Tara. Ano yung nasa balikat mo?
Huh? May dandruff?
Ito lang pala.
Kainis. Cute mo. Si Jade, oh. Uy, sumabit yung buhok. Maganda pa rin. Hi, Jade.
Hi, papasok na kayo?
Matagal na. Matagal ka na nakapasok sa puso ko.
Tabag lang yan, Samuel.
Di gugustuhin ko ng kabagin araw-araw.
Nako,
Gustong gusto mo? Sobra, pre. Paano mo nagustuhan si Jade? I mean, paano kayo nagkakalala? Sa classroom ba? Love at first sight ba? Hindi, oh. Bad trip! Shh, mukha mo.
nasa library tayo.
Sorry.
Bakit ka bad trip?
Meron kang, wala kasi akong,
Issue? Oh, tinatawag ka ng kalikasan?
oo.
Here's my pouch. May wipes and alcohol din dyan. May bidet din naman sa CR.
Salamat ah. Oh, nandito ka pa pala.